play.
What a good defense. Look at the tumble serve there. Strapped, and I'm not sure that he's able to hit 100%. Just touch the line. So in charge to get Sukamuljo involved on the front court. Look, that's a beautiful shot.
Called too high. Serve.
Called by the service judge on Aaron Cha. Well done by Sukamuljo and Gideon won the last encounter. That was the Thomas Cup 2022, where Gideon was not available. If that would have intercepted any longer, it would have gone out. Oh, I think.
Correction. Serves over.
Yeah. Stick smash. Oh, he missed it. The umpire's sight with his body.
Service fault called too high.
Yeah, that's a good flicker. Good shot. Oh, he had to think about it.
Service over.
Once again, stay. Oh, that's fantastic badminton. Yeah, good flicker again. That's not correct because they didn't play them. A flicker is often warranted now. 4 game points for excellent play there by Marcus Gideon. Oi! Towards the end of the first game. Oi, oi, This is too fast for me. I'll have to wait till the replay. At the left by Gideon. The Malaysian assistant coaches.
Service.
Misunderstanding. He's so good at rehab on that occasion. Lost the first round too. It's clear that he's come
Service
much
fault
closer
called.
to
Too high.
well, that's much better.
Service over.
Nicely, this court here with important for the Malaysians to reduce the pace and get proper attacking situations like that.
Service over. Service over.
It's gone long.
Service over.
Oh, that's a beauty from oh, that's a big miss. China's played in his zone. From a Malaysian perspective.
Service over.
Good steepness on the smash from Aaron, and then oh, he missed it. So, third and final game underway.
Service over.
It's a one in this matchup here.
Service over.
Oi, fantastic net play by it as well, but oh,
Service.
yeah, clever done. On top of it.
Service over.
When they're targeting Sawyik, trying to play it beneath the shoulder, the right shoulder. To try and build a bit of a lead here.
Service.
Drive.
Service
So,
over.
and sits in peace and quiet here. Excellent. Tokyo and Japan Open, Tokyo Worlds and Japan Open. Excellent. That's it. It's gone long.
Challenge unsuccessful.
Oi, fantastic save by Sung Woo Yik. Good play. Nice to Mulyo. Becomes way too high. Ooh. Missed it. Good reaction. Differences could be that the Malaysians don't have that little lead. Could mean something for the tension. Away from 1-0. Good shot. So we looked wide to me. Oh, fantastic defense. But just like the... Missed it. Missed it. Difference when finally he's on the shuttle. Kevin is on fire. Yeah, that's well played. On the coaches' chairs. So we no. He's exploiting. And a perfect flicker. 7. First time of asking becomes the first pair to